Today's video we're going to be building 12 by 12 shipping boxes for fish. This is 12-inch cuts, a little bit smaller, and then the other one is 10.5-inch cuts. Let's see if we can get a nice video going over here. So for one 12 by 12 box, you need two that are 12 by 12. I have them marked out in my ruler over here, and it actually just happens really fast. I've marked two marks of where I want to cut. I'm gonna put my ruler down. I don't even have to go down with my Sharpie. I'm just gonna cut with my blade, and that's my top. Cut one more piece at around 12 inches, or the line that is right before the 12. Can't think off the top of my head what the number is, but that'll be the most helpful thing to do. So two 12 by 12s, that's gonna be top and bottom. We're gonna have to do the sides, and one side is gonna be 12 by 10.5. So we're gonna do 10.5. 10.5, one, two, and then I'm going to go to my other piece where it's a 10.5 cut, and then I'm just gonna go 10.5 by 10.5, and I'm gonna need two pieces like that, and that's gonna complete the box. And then the next thing I'm gonna have to do is just assemble it. So we're gonna do a 10.5 by 10.5 piece. I think this video will be demonetized because of the music, but that's fine. That's fine. 10.5 by 10.5, right there. Boom. 6 pieces is what you need for the box assembly. So you're gonna take your box. Bottom piece is going to be the 12 by 12. And that's going to fit in snugly just like that. 12 by 10.5 slide right in, and they should fit just like that. And then the two 10 by 10s go on the side of that, which will also fit snugly. And that's pretty much the box right there. Put the top on, and you can do tape on the inside or whatnot. Depends on what you want to do. But that's what the box looks like. Thanks for watching.